Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Your effective setup assistance for a food processing unit setup. In this video we will elaborately explain how to set up pasta processing plant on MSME scale with cost-effective machinery use. Also we will focus A. Business opportunities for setting up the pasta processing plant. B. Unveiling the secrets of pasta production. C. Unlocking the success formula for your pasta business. D. Investment capital analysis. E. Current marketing capacity and future growth of pasta business. Now let us know business opportunities for setting up the pasta processing plant. Pasta is one of the most popular ready-to-eat foods with a lot of nutritional value derived from its constituent ingredients. This Italian dish made up of dough, water, oil, and other ingredients is available in different shapes and with different nutritional values. Pasta is continuously increasing in demand worldwide. According to certain reports, the demand for pasta has increased by 27.9% in the last 2 years. It will continue to increase at a rate of 3.7% per year. Hence, we can see from the above data and mentioned market capacity and future growth that the business idea is a promising one. Different types of pasta. Spaghetti. The pasta dough is forced through holes between 0.8 to 0.5 millimeters in diameter to produce vermicelli and capellini. Tortellini, filled pasta rings. On a separate unit, tortellini, filled pasta rings, are made. Ravioli filled pasta squares. Pre-measured amounts of cheese filling are dropped on a sheet of pasta at pre-measured intervals to produce ravioli. The spicy taste and ready-to-eat specialties act as a major reason for its increasing demand. Also the average profit margin, 26% to 36% from an automated pasta processing plant. Also, the nutritional values, blended with awesome taste, attract the attention of the bustling blood. Another catalyst for the increasing demand is the increase in urban society's health consciousness with ready-to-eat food. Whole wheat and quinoa are the major ingredients of this healthy pasta. Global growth of pasta consumption. Pasta has always been associated with Italy and Mediterranean countries where durum wheat is grown. However, in many countries, durum wheat is not used to produce pasta today, rather, soft wheat, corn or rice. This flexibility had been considered by visionaries of Mediterranean cuisine for many years and has now become a reality, putting pasta in kitchens worldwide. A combination of several factors is behind the rapid spread of pasta. The production of the raw materials used to make pasta is potentially common worldwide. Pasta is one of the pillars of the Mediterranean diet, which is universally recognized as a nutritional model promoting weight control and reducing the risks of heart problems, cancer, diabetes, and other chronic diseases. Source of raw material. India exports most of its pasta to Bhutan, United States, and United Arab Emirates, for which the combined export value from India to these countries stands at $9.07 million, which is 77.59% of India's total exports for this commodity. What is the export duty for pasta in India? Export duty for pasta is levied by the government when the product is exported from India to other countries. Pasta comes under HS codes which include. This tool helps you to find out custom duty, export duty that one has to pay while exporting pasta from India. Raw material availability. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of wheat in an area with 9.75 million hectares, 32%, followed by Madhya Pradesh, 18.75%, Punjab, 11.48%, Rajasthan, 9.74%, Haryana, 8.36%, and Bihar, 6.82%. As wheat is a major grown crop, the availability of wheat grain is easy in the northern states of India. Various mandis are available in every district for wheat. Raw material can be procured from these mandis, local vendors, or direct from the farm. Additionally, one would need sugar, common salt, spices, garlic, ginger, sodium bicarbonate. Let us discuss the unveiling the secrets of pasta production. The first step is collect all the required raw materials. Collect the raw materials in an amount sufficient to initiate the manufacturing process. One should decide the type of pasta they are going to manufacture, the shape, and the number of ingredients. Milled wheat is mostly used in the manufacturing process of pasta. The most popular milled wheat products are semi-long and durum granular. The semolona is the more popular of the two due to its fine size and high nutritional value. The other constituent ingredients that are either optional or essential should be unavoidably supplied during the process. In few countries, to make the pasta more tasty, flavored, eggs, vegetable juices, and herbs are added at this stage. Then the next step is, once the raw materials are collected, transfer all the essential and optional ingredients to the mixer. Ensure the ingredients are mixed well. You can of course make pasta without a pasta machine. You can use a good, heavy, long rolling pin, but the work will be much harder and certainly more difficult. Having a pasta machine simply makes the process much easier and more fun, and the results can be incredibly rewarding. The main machinery used for mixing are mixer or known as blender. Few important things to be considered before buying the machine. A. Manual or electrical. B. Price and the size of the machine. C. Material. D. Dies and cutters. Vacuum chamber. The next process includes the removal of the air from the mixture. The vacuum chambers remove all the air from the mixer and stop the formation of bubbles in the mixture. To know more in detail, you can subscribe our channel for other food processing business ideas related to agro business and food processing unit setup. Extrusion. Extrusion is the other important step within the process. The prepared dough is transferred to the extrusion machines. The extrusion machine presses the dough through the predefined dies to give a perfect shape and size to the pasta. The dies produce pasta of variable shapes and sizes, which are predefined according to the choice of the owner. Modern extrusion machines are well equipped with cooling sheets or cooling pads. These cooling pads maintain the optimum temperature of the machines and reduce the chances of wear and tear. It also helps in maintaining the optimum surface temperature. Times moisture removal or drying. The procedure of drying requires a careful approach and sharp eyes for the procedure. The moisture content at this stage is around 37%, which is far more than the optimum. The optimum moisture is around 10-12%. The method is carried out in semi-automated or fully automated dryers. This is the first stage of the two-level drying procedure. The controlled heat for a fraction of the time allows the outer crust to get hard while keeping the inner surface moist. Times packaging. The final part of the whole manufacturing process is the packaging of the final product. The packaging is an essential part as it protects the pasta from contamination. The outer packaging of cellophane bags ensures the pasta is completely safe from moisture. The packaging is followed by the simultaneous sorting of the pasta based on various parameters. Now let us check the machinery required. A certain set of machines is required to initiate the processing. 1. Mixer blender. 2. Extruder. 3. Cooler. 4. Dryer. 5. Conveyor belts. 6. Packaging machines. For pasta machine manufacturers, and suppliers in India, please follow our directory anadataonline.com. As an investor, investment capital analysis point. Land and building cost. The total land and building cost will procure around 7 lakhs to 8 lakhs rupees, 3 lakhs rupees plus 5 lakhs rupees. Note: the cost of 5 lakhs rupees is included as the cost of building material and construction cost. The cost is highly variable and dependent on various factors like labor charges, area of construction, quality of material, etc. Cost of machinery. A certain set of machines are required to process the ingredients for the final product pasta, which ranges around 5 lakhs rupees to 9 lakhs rupees and so on. Profit margin, average 26% to 36%. The total rough estimation of the complete processing plant setup varies around 15 lakhs to 25 lakhs rupees. It excludes labor cost, different state government tax, and miscellaneous cost. The legalization of the business. It is important to have a certain set of legal documents to legalize business in India. To know more in detail, you can subscribe and like our channel and follow our e-directory for other food processing business ideas related to agro business and food processing unit setup. Thank you for watching. Please provide your comments for reply.